you could say. F is what's the right word for a chain of functions? If I take a function of a function, which is the reason I use the word chain, is that the chain rule gives the derivative. So a function of a function of a function, that's called composition, composing function. So this is a composition. I don't know if there's a standard symbol for starting with F1 and do some composition and do some composition. And now what are those separate Fs? Those separate Fs are the separate Fs are the F1 of a vector would be, it includes the ReLU part, the nonlinear part of A1x0 plus B1. So two parts. You do the linear or affine map on your feature vector, and then you, component by component, you apply that nonlinear function. And it took some years before that nonlinear function became a big favorite. People imagined that it was important to have a smooth function. So the original functions were sigmoids, like S-curves, but of course, it turned out that experiments showed that this worked even better. Yeah, so that would be F1, and then F2 would have the same form, and F3 would have the same form. So maybe this had 36 weights, and the next one would have